This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Have you ever felt like you're trapped into not drawing? Like, even if you genuinely love to draw and got all the desire in the world to do this, you just don't start. And this feeling hurts so deeply that you even start to question, can I even call myself an artist if I can just sit and draw? So in today's video I'll share why does it happen, how to fix it, and most importantly, what's a simple key to breaking free from this trap forever. Beginner artists full of passion and great ideas often tell me they struggle to stay consistent, leaving their dreams of becoming great artists never achieved. Why does this happen? To understand this, let's look at the 3 most common messages I get. I don't have enough time, I'm not good enough, or I don't know where to start. Now, can you notice what all of these phrases have in common? Yes, all of them are written in double quotes, which means that these are the reasons we produce in our head as thoughts. And what's very important, when we get a desire to draw something, our brain automatically generates some reasons to not to do this. And these reasons then transform into the unbreakable wall that we have a big trouble to overcome. So, to bypass this wall and finally achieve our dream, we need to introduce a special element to this scheme. The element which will allow us to consistently build our skills with almost no effort. So what's the secret? If you dream of drawing for a living, the best way to begin is to create a beautiful portfolio and start taking commissions to earn your first money. And you can easily do this with today's sponsor, Squarespace. Whether you're just starting your art journey or already have experience, Squarespace make it easy to create a beautiful portfolio, sell your art products, and take commissions all in one place. I love how simple it is to build a website. Choose a template, customize it, and add features to fit your needs. For example, with Squarespace, you can easily open an online store and sell your art products across the world. And my favorite feature is that you can sell prints with your own artworks. Check out squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch your website, go to squarespace.com/Arseni to save 10% off your first purchase of website or domain. So what's the secret element that will allow us to draw consistently without any effort? To be able to use it, we need to understand one crucial principle: momentum decay. To explain this, let's say your drawing sessions are inconsistent. You draw once this week and then draw the second time after a 3 weeks pause. On this second session, you'll find out that the progress you've got on the first one didn't stay the same. In fact, it decreased drastically, and this second session required a lot of effort just to start. Just like muscles lose strength without any regular training, your drawing skills lose momentum with long gaps between sessions. But with consistent practice, you'll not only improve faster, but find starting easier each time. Now, the most interesting part. Let's use the secret element of our practice. And for it, you'll need just a simple piece of paper and a pencil or a pen. Now, do you remember these 3 questions from earlier? With our practice, we need to eliminate each question one by one. First, for this exercise, let's set the limit of 5 minutes a day. Remember that no matter how busy or tired you feel, you'll always can find 5 spare minutes a day and a piece of paper with a pen. By the way, 5 minutes is about 0.3% of the whole day, so the brain now can't fool you that this is some gigantic amount of time and you can't afford it. Now, what if I'm not good enough thought appear? In front of you, you have a piece of physical paper. And we have a rule. Everything you draw here is for your own eyes only. No one can look at it and no sharing allowed at all. So we eliminate any comparison with others, and this piece of paper is a disposable thing, so don't fear to make any mistakes. And here is the most important part. What if you don't know from where to start? It's super easy. I want you to pick the scene you genuinely love and want to draw. Don't worry about it being useful for practice or not, just draw what you have in mind without any overthinking. In fact, I was doing it this whole time. I love robots, so why not to draw one? Wait, but how drawing random stuff will actually help me, you might ask. After doing this daily 5 minutes exercise, for example, 3 weeks straight, you'll find out that now to draw consistently becomes your second nature. You'll notice that your sessions will increase in time because you simply want to draw longer. Okay, but how to improve further? Now, when you develop the drawing habit, this is the best moment to start shifting your practice into more structured approach. And by the way, you can get the structure and exercises for your studies in my free digital art workbook. Link in the description. So by drawing just 5 minutes a day, you build a strong drawing habit, which is a great foundation for your future studies. And this video will show you how to focus on your studies in the right way. So watch it next.